Okay, in this video we're going to cook a delicious omelette. We're going to need 4 eggs, half a cup of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of asparagus and 1 cup of mushrooms. Something to stir as well. Now we're going to toss 4 eggs into a bowl. We're going to mix those eggs, making them very consistent. You can do this for about a couple of minutes, and then you take your pan, put it in high, place some olive oil, make sure you distribute the olive oil all around the surface, including the sides of the pot. Next, add all your asparagus and let them fry for about 4 minutes. In the meantime, add some salt into your egg mix. And add it into your pot and the mushrooms. Distribute them evenly as they cook slowly. Add the cheese. Close the lid. Let it cook for about 5 more minutes. Flip it. Let it cook for another minute, and that should be it. And there you go, a delicious omelette.